Hello, good afternoon. Shall we start our session for this afternoon? Um, I think our topic mainly for this afternoon is about how to migrate to our LMS. And most of the time, siguro, we'll be talking about Google Classroom. So first things first. I think we don't have any. Um, I think we don't have any presentation for this video presentation because um, it's not there. So I don't know. With the Google Classroom is I think it's not ano. So we're going to do that manually, no? So first of all, what we're going to do is to go to Google Classroom. Okay, so I think we'll wait for the others to come in, no? Before we start. Um, a while ago, Dr. Mirna Prudente was here, so I don't know why she left. Okay, for a while, guys. Okay, good afternoon once again. Um, this afternoon we're going to have a demo on how are we going to uh, design an efficient classroom. At the same time, we're going to make the classroom more functional. So I think we don't have any video presentation for this for Google Classroom. So I think we're going to demo this. We're going to have a pre-demonstration so that by the time that we are going to have the workshop, the face-to-face workshop, I think we all know how to do this now already. Okay, so let me present to you. We're going to have a demo. We're going to do this step by step, and hopefully we can actually make a very good, I don't know, starting from the very beginning, starting from the scratch. So what we're going to do in your browser is to type google.com, and then afterwards make sure to log into your .edu account. Okay, so dapat naka-login kita sa .edu nato, no? So like for example, if I'm so make sure lang yun guys ha. Ako guys, I make it a habit that whenever I log into my account sa browser, wala ko na siya gina-log out na. So I'm using two browsers for my personal account, then the other one is for the .edu account. Okay. So after logging into your account, what you're going to do on the URL, so this is the URL. This is where you can type the address for the classroom, no? So you're going to type classroom.google.com. Okay. Then after typing classroom.google.com, you press enter in your keyboard. Okay, so you will be directed to classroom. So for classroom, I think first and primarily, if ever nga you are new, what you're going to do there is to configure it, and the classroom will prompt if you are a teacher or a student. So you will select teacher, no, so that you can create classes, and then the students will join classes. Okay. So as you can see, I have already here one class, and that is ISCOF-CARES, no? I have configured already my classroom. For you, sa part ninyo guys, if ever you are new to classroom, kag wala nyo pa na gamit ang classroom ninyo, dapat i-configure nyo na siya. So you have to join. Anyway, if you have your .edu account, it's automatically nga, ano, no, nga maka-join ka mo sa isa ka organization. So our organization is ISCOF-SEC or ISCOF.edu.ph. So that we are now on ISCOF.edu.ph environment. Okay. What more can I say is that we're going to have a demo for for creating classes. If you already knew your subjects, I think it's good if you are going to list your subjects, no, before we start. So you have to also know the details of your classes, and then some details are your descriptive title and the course number na. And then we can configure later on kung din kitang mag ano ka information, mag-supply ka information. So like for example, okay, I'm going to go through my folder sa subject, no? So I'm gonna, okay, so these are my subjects in for this for this first semester, no, ICT 410, IT 313, and ITPE 1. So ang descriptive title niya is System Maintenance and Administration. For this one, IT 312 is, I think, Research Methods in Computing, and ITPE 1 is Object-Oriented Programming. So later on, just for reference lang, para guys sumamalaan natin kung ano yung details nga pag-imo natin sa classroom. So those are my 3 subjects nga assigned to me. Okay, so what we're going to do is to create or join a class. To do that, you have to press this plus button on the upper right side. So if you're going to press it, it's either you're going to join a class or create a class. So first of all, we're going to create classes, anay. Then later on, you'll be joining classes. So workshop natin, similar mandaya. This is what we're going to do on Thursday, on the 26th, because sa memo natin sa 26 ang face-to-face. Pero I don't know lang because we are now on a strict lockdown, I think, by the province of Iloilo. So we're going to going to see if we can have the face-to-face later on. No? We will hold on lang sa announcement sang school if we are permitted to So kung man may mga advisory, dayon niya naton guys, face-to-face class or workshops Thursday. But for now, we're going to have a demo on how to create classroom and join classroom, no? And how are we going to do this? Now, I think may classroom na kita. So show us for the efficiency, guys, because as you can see on our schedule, by the way, the title of our training starting this week is Training Workshop on Migration to an Online Learning Management System. Supposedly, this is our schedule, pero wala siya nabutang kon face-to-face. So I think online. However, since we have the workshop sa Thursday, I think we're going to have a demo from scratch later on. So as for us ng mag-advanced study, appreciate ko si Dr. Prudente, no, because she's attending our class right now. And just because we had a schedule, we can actually go on. Pero don't forget your your assignment. Ang 4 major requirement ng ginapangita ka ISCOF-CARES. That will be your Google form, one module mo gid nga nga one full module, then classroom nga daya, kag isa pa katong video nga naton ginobra. So 4 na guys. So just remember lang gid. Okay? Okay. So going back here, we're going to create a class, and then ibutang naton class name. So first nga subject akon is ICT 410. Na on this part, this is how we're going to fill up this information accurately, no? So that hindi kita magkalang. Oh, I think ang class name niya, I think cut and paste natin this is subject, no? So ang subject is ICT 410, I think this one. Pero ang pangalan system administration and management, if I'm not mistaken. Or lain. Okay, let me check lang, anay. ICT 410, because I have the module already. System administration and maintenance. So this is one. The course title is system administration and maintenance. So for the course title, hindi siya management, system administration and maintenance gali guys. Okay, and then supposedly the subject is the course number, which is ICT 410. So you put here section, I think for this is BSIT. BSIT 3A and 3B, I think. Or 2A, 2B, I forgot, guys. So let me check, Anay. So you have to be accurate, no? For this, what you need is your course syllabus. So I think ICT 410. Okay, the why. Why din nabutang kon ano nga year. Pero if you have a copy of the curriculum, you can actually check it, no? So let me check, Anay, guys. If I had a copy of the curriculum mo ay. So kuno bilang, no? Hindi siya accurate. Pero sige, base IT 3A. Okay, so 3A and 3B. I will just double check on this kung second year siya or third year. Most probably ano siya, third year. And then the room is kung room gani, guys, dapat physical room ni siya. So ang room naton supposedly sa main building, ang muda dapat ibutang naton de. Pero since we are now virtual, had a virtual classroom, so ibutang naton virtual room or virtual room 1. Okay, so or VR1 naton, VR1 abi na. VR1 stands for virtual room 1. So if ever you have put up this information for creating a class, then okay, that's the time that you're going to click create. Okay, so and then you have already your class Google Classroom for SAM or System Administration and Maintenance. So automatically, what you're going to do is you go here to the settings, and to invite students, you're going to copy this link. Okay, don't forget, you can copy this link, and you're going to paste or to copy paste this in your you're going to copy paste it in your Facebook group so that makalagin sanda automatically sa klase ninyo. Or make it to display the code and then direct them to go to classroom.google.com. So first of all, they have to log into their .edu account, and then they have to dial or to write classroom.google.com on the URL of their browser, and then they have to enter the class using this code. So this one, copy paste also and give it to or PM them, PM this directly to them, or you can actually put this on your class Google on your FB group para makita nanda ka makakanto sa dade. Then kung naka-enter na sila, they can actually enter in this class, and okay, and then you can see the to check kung may students ka na. All you have to do is to check on people nga tab. So if you're going to click this one, I think there are several emails. Kung gusto mo sila i-invite through email, you can actually copy paste their email here and send it to them ang classroom mo daya. So those are the things that you need to remember to invite students sa classroom, no? And then here comes the classwork and the grades. So the grade is the final grade that you're going to put to compute for your grade. For classwork naman, so these are the things that you need to do for classwork. So you have to create your assignments. If you're going to create the topic here, Then make sure you put their syllabus. I'm sorry. By the way, guys, if you want to configure the grading system, no, so you have to go to grading here, and then for the category, you have to add category. Now, paano kita mag-compute yung grade on that by total points or weighted by the category, no? So you can select total points or weighted by category. So kung total points, you have the option to show the overall grade of students, no? Pwede man weighted by category. No. Okay, or total points. Okay, then you have to add the grade category. Kung ano din mga yung category nga ibutang naton, guys, nga total na 100. So, example, butang ta di quizzes. For quizzes, I think, okay, may default points sila. Sorry. So, quizzes, yeah, the default point pila sa 20 abi, no? Then, another, ma-add kita after quizzes, recitation. Ano siya? Recitation is 10 points. Then, okay. Then you have, okay, percentage weighted by category. I'm sorry, guys. So, pila ka percent siya? 20, then 10. Then after recitation, you have your major exam. So, major exam ninyo pila? Pila siya ka percent? So, 40 abi, no? So, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then, laboratory. So, may dayan ka mo. So, pila siya ka percent? I think 30% ang remaining. Kung ano, guys, kung weighted by category, make sure nga 100% ang remaining diya sa dang ano niya, para 100% ang ano niyo. Otherwise, this is just percentage, no? So, kung okay ka daw kada dyan, kung abi lang, yeah, you have to click save. And then automatically, it is saved already. So, for classwork, you have to create classwork, no? First of all, you have to select topic. And then, like, for example, if you're going to put your syllabus, then for the topic for syllabus, you can see here, ari na siya. And then you can actually add topics sa mga chapter pages. So kung ano yung mga course title na based ang ano ka pages. So like for example, introduction to system maintenance and system administration and maintenance. Okay, sila spelling pero don't worry. Pwede ma-islan. So these are the topic, no? So this is, I'm sorry, if you want to edit this, you have to put there, like for example, chapter 1. So rename mo lang siya. Now you have an option of kung diin ang unahon ninyo, guys, kay as we filled up, pwede nga sa babaw panaog, no? Pero kung ako daw dapat kung ako siya mag-analyze, sakto dayan, no? Nga chapter 1 amo kada para yung tabunan sa chapter 2 kay mabudlay magpanaog or mangita. So depende man gyapon kaninyo, no? So under this, I think if you're going to create a material for the syllabus, you have to type there IT, ICT 410 core syllabus. Okay. So the description niya is this one. So you have to add description or kundiin or whatever, no? So para kay Sino, for all students, and then the topic is you have to select syllabus para nga ma-under siya karon sa syllabus. So description niya, this is the course, spelling, syllabus of ISCOF-SEC BSIT 3 students in their subject ICT 410 system administration and maintenance. So it's up to you guys to do this or not. You have the option to provide description. But I suggest kinanglan butangan naton so that kung i-save naton siya, automatically ari na siya sa syllabus. And then if we're going to to click this, the description will be found here. So if they're going to view the material, they can see kung may ara siya kung hindi. If you want to edit, then you go there and you select. By the way, you need to upload pa guys ang inyong core syllabus sa folder. So what you're going to do is to go to drive.google.com. Okay. Drive.google.com. Upload the syllabus or you still have to create ang folder para sa ninyo. Say for example, this one. What you're going to do is to create folder. So you can create folder for your subjects, no? So you have to write module in ICT 410. Create. If you're going to create so kung naka-create na kamo folder, this one ang na-create naton. This is where you go. This is where the repository of your module and your everything, the course material and the syllabus will be found. So in this folder, ang first ko nga i-upload is ang akon nga course syllabus. Okay. So ang kung makita ninyo, drag ko lang siya. Then ari na siya. Then how are you going to link this to your Google Classroom? Okay. So it's very easy, no? All you have to do is to right-click this and get link. So i-right-click nyo lang, guys. Then i-click ninyo get link. Then automatically magwa ang menu nga daya. So you have options, no? Restrict this. Restrict lang to Illicit College of Fisheries. So dapat kung i-restrict nyo lang siya, ang magwa na ang makabasa lang kung nakalagin sanda sa ISCOF nanda nga .edu nga account. Kung hindi sanda nakalagin sa .edu nanda nga account, hindi daya So pwedeng mo man guys anyone with the link, meaning to say maskin hindi sa .edu nanda nga account, pwede nanda gyapon makita. So copy link. So take note, copy link, then done. Then go back to your Google Classroom. On this button, add link, click nyo lang siya. And then right-click ang link kagina, then add link. So kung makita ninyo ang syllabus, ari na siya. Then save. So automatically, kung i-refresh ko akon nga Google Classroom, kunabi sa una-una gid, ang makita ka students ninyo will be this one. Then if they're going to see the material for the syllabus, click na kis and then ma-display diya hiya syllabus. Pag double click na nila, automatically ang syllabus ninyo kitaanon do dayan. Okay. So DOCX lang gani siya, hindi siya it PDF. If you want to protect your module, may manan mo guys, pwede nandiyan dyan ma-download, oh. Pwede nandiyan ma-download ang syllabus mo. Open in new window. Then, pwede nandiyan ma-download. So, pag download nanda, kay naka-word siya, word man gyapon, yun ang nyo. Na, ma-download nanda ari doon, no? Okay, kung i-open ko siya, then, ari na. Ang akon nga syllabus. Gin-upload ko kagina, tapos gin-download ko pagid. So, naka-word man siya gyapon. Now, paano ninyo maprotektahan niya syllabus ninyo? Nga white iteration, white the same thing sa inyo nga module. So, it's very easy lang. All you have to do is to convert it to PDF. Okay? So, before you upload this, you have to convert anay sa PDF. Okay? So, pwede man, ati namon daya kung diya siya. Pwede nga nakatago lang duman dyan sa, or i-right click, remove lang ninyo. Move to trash. So, the same process, no? Iti, unahon na natin ka anay. So, kung why doon na di siya? Hindi siya kitana. Iti, delete ko ang daya doon. So, yan na obrahon natin. Obrahon natin is, i-open ninyo anay yung module nyo. This one. Then, what we're going to do is to convert this to PDF. To convert to PDF, you go to File, Save As, ang sa 410 nga module. Then, sa Save As type, PDF. So, kung PDF na siya, i-save nyo lang. Then, automatically, naka-PDF na inyong syllabus. So, after converting this to PDF, that's the time that you're going to drag this to here sa aton nga Google Drive. So, i-open nyo liwat sa tong 410. Tapos, kita nyo naka-PDF na siya, oh. Then, ang PDF file, amo daya inyo nga i-drag pa kadto de. That is why I recommend nga dapat PDF gid i-convert nyo gid ang module nyo sa PDF. Kay may tendency nga kung naka-word na siya, pwede na siya makopya kay iban. Na. So makopya da kay iban kag ikutihon ng inyong syllabus or himuon anda as anda na. Pero anyway, I think may man siya, no? May man niya ISCOF-CARES para kada dyan. Ay nang may control man mo, ginapasa man nato yung module nato kananda. So may control. So after that, kundi wala na doon anong syllabus, ari na siya. Ari na sa inyo nga I'm sorry. Okay, so naka-module na siya. So right click na ninyo guys and then get link. Then automatically design man nga tong kagina restricted or anyone with the link. I suggest anyone with the link para nga maskin hindi siya .edu nga ma-access nanda inyo nga pero kung i-restrict naton sa .edu nanda nga file nga get nga email. So ari ISCOF lang get. Sanda lang nga So copy link then done. Then go back to Classroom. Then sa syllabus edit, no? Okay. Okay. The same, add link. Then right click the link, then add link. Then automatically, hindi na siya Word, DOCX, PDF na siya. So kung double click ka kabataan, I'm sorry, medyo mahinay ang ko. Save pa anay gali, I'm sorry. Okay. So mo day makita na guys. Naka-PDF na siya. So hindi na dyan ma-alter kay hindi na siya Word. Ano siya ng PDF. So the same thing with our modules guys. Kaya tiyang aton nga module tanang pinangabudlayan naton damo. Dapat i-PDF ninyo kag before ninyo i-upload na para nga maano ka students naton ma-access. And added protection in your part because may mga watermark kag ano man siya. Okay, the same thing with chapter pages. So, ang first ko nga ginaano sa chapter pages, first ko nga ginaano is ang module. So, paano no? The same man, create, then material. Kaya module natin material siya. So, ang title niya is module 1. So, description mo, this is the first module of this subject. Then, topic, you must select chapter 1. So, dapat, ang inyong palatandaan or the Q is ang kung ano nga chapter, kung 1 siya, so dapat ang module nyo is 1 man. Okay, so parang hindi ka mo magtalang kaya hindi magtalang ang student. So, syempre kung chapter 1, module 1 man da. So, amo dyan nga si Mana. Okay? Then, the same thing nga ubrahon ninyo, i-upload nyo anay guys sa ang inyong module di sa ano. So, kung abi yung module ko, may sample module ako din nga karang una. Okay, so kung example, this is your module, no? So, that is already in PDF format, no, guys? Yung module ang gin-upload ko. Okay, so kung okay na, what we're going to do is to right-click this and get the link. Then, anyone with the link, copy link, then done. So, after that, you go here, you click add link, and right-click paste, add link. So, link lang siya. Then, automatically, you're going to post. Okay, so as you can see, ang module 1, ari na siya. So, amo daya click nanda guys, ka mga students naton, para makita nanda yung module naton. So, may mga lesson man, may mga activity 1 na activity 2. Taon ninyo kung piray activity nyo sa dang module nga daya guys. Akon dua. So, kung may activity kita, paano nanda mapasa ano nanda sa Google Classroom? It's very easy. All you have to do is to create, then assignment. Okay? Not quiz assignment na hindi pwede ang quiz assignment, pero ang assignment lang. So, for the assignment, you put there activity 1. Then, okay. Ako kung piraya lesson ko, example sa chapter 1, lesson 1, lesson 2, then amuda ka duro yung activity nga ginatao ko. So may duwa kung activity, kung duwa yung activity mo, duwa lesson mo gali, duwa man activity tao mo. At least kanako na mo day akong patakaran. I don't know kaninyo guys kung kung pira ka bilog nga activity yung ginahatag nyo sa students. Pero ako every lesson may activities ang dangay mo. So pwede man butangan nyo ka instruction. Okay. So kung instruction, simple lang guys ang instruction. The same, kung naghihimo ka mo bala kadang exam ninyo sa midterm, ibla may direction anay, multiple choice, something like that. Then butang nyo, select the best answer, write the letter only. That is an instruction or direction. The same thing sa activity sa activity man naton, you can put their instruction kung ano. So like for example, sample of instruction is depende sa activity ninyo. Lantawan ninyo ano yung module ninyo, guys. Ako ginalantaw ko ano yung module, kung ano yung activity, para makatawo ako ka instruction it mayad. So like for example, activity 1, refer to research 101. This is research 101. Write it on any word processor and produce a screenshot. Send your screenshot to your Google Classroom by clicking on activity 1 and follow the steps. So amo da ginahimo naton. For research 101 naman, list 3 major operating system and research on the following features. Okay, so amo lang da guys, all you have to do is to copy paste this. Then you already have a direction. So copy paste na. So list 3 major operating system and research on the following. Then sa dalom, you can put there, mulanda, why don't? Okay. And then for the due date, select nyo anay. Now, in my part, nag-post ako every Monday. Say for example, alang taon nyo ang date ninyo. Subong is, like for example, ako na abi sa Monday nga next week is 30. Then, 16 gali, 23, no? So, dapat yung deadline naton is 27, Friday. Every Friday. So, ginabutangan ko midnight. Friday midnight. Then, for the topic, this one, you have to select ang chapter 1. Kaya dapat activity 1 man sa dyan nga chapter. Okay. And then, para nga, when you are going to assign, ang activity 1 dyan doon. So, dyan ang dadaya ipasa, i-upload. Okay? Sa view assignment na daya, no, na dyan sanda mapasa. Paano nanda nga i-upload nanda pwede nyo sanda imuan ka folder. Pwede man nga tag-isab lang ngaran daw, galing kaduro sanda. Pwede man hindi. Ipasa lang nanda together with their name. So, butang nyo activity 1, then may pangalan sanda. Or mamanaan nyo man gyapon kung sino nga estudyante kada dyan yan, no, guys. Yan nagpasa kadang ninyo. Kaya may mga ngaran doon sanda di kaninyo sa all students. So, maskin file, tandaan ninyo, kung ginapangayon ninyo screenshot, akong screenshot lang gid. Why ako nagapa-obra sa student, kadang malawig-lawig, kadang gid. Pwede man nga gamiton nyo ang lawig nga daw essay bala, payawan ka mo ka-check. So, depende man sa subject. I don't know kung ano inyong strategy. Pero akon, IT programming yung subject namon. So, ginapaobra ko sanda ka program sa internet lang. Manamo, hindi man sanda pwede ka adto sa eskwelahan, tigina screenshot na ng dia code. At the same time, ang output, ginaparan using ang kung ano man dyan nga IDE ginagamit nanda, tapos ginapaano lang, screenshot. So, the same thing na do mo lang guys. Then afterwards, pag nag-checkan ka mo, kung may nagpasa doon you can grade it automatically out of, depende sa points nga itaon ninyo. So, ako, 100 points lang. Depende sa ginabutangan ko siya ka metrics. So, magbutang kita ka metrics, you go back to Classwork, and then this one, the activity 1, then edit lang. I'm sorry, delete to. Edit na. So, sa topic pa lang. If you want to put a rubric, you just select a rubric para nga automatic makagrade ka mo at mayad bala. Kung first time, you can create the rubric. Pero kung second time doon guys, pwede niyo magamit ang rubric ng obra ninyo karang una. So, matry kita mag-create ka rubric lang, no? Ang naton is activity 1. So, use descending, meaning to say, you can add the criteria. This one, no? Kung ano nga level. Kung criterion title, kung ano nga level. Pero ako, gina-descend, why ko siya gina-descending? Why nautihan ako ka-descending kay duro-duro. Medyo duro katama. Kag dayon hindi ko gusto nga detailed yung pag-grade. Gusto ko tatlo lang ka pa kadang paagi. Tatlo lang ka points or kaninyo depende kung 3, 4, 5 pwede niyo. Kung yung level bala ka point kapag ka points ako ginatatlo ko lang para hindi ko iyawan. So, ipakita ko kaninyo kung paano. Ang criterion naton siguro diya sa may criterion description man siya. Okay. So, butan nyo di activity 1. Then sa anang nga criterion description is rubric for activity 1. Then sa mga points kag requisition, diyan lang ko gabawi sa dang sa ang hindi siya descending and meaning ang tanan nga criterion kadto sa dalom. Ginaisa ko lang siya. So ginadugangan ko lang na this one. So ang ginaobra ko kung programming is 100 points. Gataw ko 100 kung perfect, no? Gataw ko 88, kag gataw ko 75. Tatlo lang. So passing 75, 88 ang average, 100 ang perfect. Pero mag-grade ako hindi tamo kada nga 100, 88, 75. Ga depende man gyapon kung may mga kulang-kulang gamay or kung hindi kompleto, depende sa activity nga ginapasa nanda. So mag-check ako kada ginautihan ko gid, gina-isa-isa ko lantaw. Tuya kay na sa tong bala kung paano sa lantawon isa-isa. So ang level title na is this one. Finished or passed all the requirements without errors. Then sorry, excuse na ha. Okay, why man? Abi ko may nagsulod ka Then this one kung 88 siya, ang description nasa level description na ang description I think ang remarks lang yun nabutang ko kada dyan. Pwede man ibutang nyo dahil ng mo kada dalom sa description. Ang level title na is guro? Perfect. Butang nyo di level title na is needs improvement. Then passing. Then description can needs improvement. Passed all requirements but with some errors. And then sa description sa passing, did not pass at all or requirement is far from finished. Okay, so mali explanation na. So kung magtao ka mo 100 points, perfect siya, pero napasa na tanan nga requirements nga why it error. Kung 88 points itaw nyo ka na, needs improvement, pero pass all the requirement, pero with some errors lang, mga minimal errors. And 75 naman, passing, did not pass on time, or ang requirement is far from finished. So amo lang nakasimple ang ginaano ko lang. Why ko doon ginadugangan kay criterion kay kalawig pa. Pero kung may ed ka guys, I think butangan mo siya ka criterion, depende sa criterion nga iano mo. So ang criterion diin nyo ibase. Siyempre sa class record nyo. Okay, kamo tinyo nakamaan kada. So kamo nakamaan, kamo man kamaan mag-solve ka grade. So that's why pwede ninyo butangan kay criterion get. Depende kung isa kung pila ka criterion. Ako kung 3, 4 ka criterion, okay do ko kada. Pero ginisa ko na lang guys, kay mabudlay mag ka grade. Diyan lang ko gabawi ta na sa may niya. Sa may configuration nga diya na. So I don't know about you, pero ako mo nang giname ko para madasig or mahapos ka na akon. Mapos ko na akong mag-grade, mapos pagpasa nanda, tawaan ko lagi. So, i-save ko lang siya. And then, automatically, save ko man sa babaw. Kung gusto niyo mag-check up plagiarism check, pwede man. Ang sa nyo bala, sa dang andal nga ginaobra. Kung ano, why do ko ga-check kada guys kay komplikado ang plagiarism. Actually, sa free na siya for several chapters, pero after several chapters wala na siya free ang plagiarism check. So never mind ko lang why ko na siya doon na panamdom. Then save. Then after saving, may chapter 1 ka doon. Ngay activity 1. Okay. So mag-proceed ka sa activity number 2, lantawan mo di anay ang kun activity number 2 mo kan ano. Ang kagina research 101, akon tanado karon pick collage 102. So copy paste lang da. Okay, medyo mabudlay no kay PDF. Ang pilion nyo guro sa copy pasting ang sa Word ninyo nga file sa inyong module para mapos mag-copy paste. Or pwede man nga picture pero mabudlay. I think copy paste lang gid na. Then magdugang kamo ka activity number 2, create, then assignment. Then butan nyo activity number 2. So instructions tong kagina. Sige, kuno abi lang no. Basta copy paste nyo guys ang sa folder ang sa ano ninyo sa may ano gani ang sa diaw na sige ara na pwede na ma-copy paste. Copy ang mulanda para hindi mabudlay. Ay karon kun ano hindi sakto pa ang ano ninyo ang instruction. Then sa due date pili the same due date sa first 27. Ako every Monday ko gina-post ang module ng balan kong students Monday. Ang inyong nga magpasa. Ang deadline is Friday. Then gina-checkan ko kagahimo ko bagong module every Saturday, Sunday. Nga i-deploy duman every Monday. So this one, then rubric. Kung may rubric na, reuse na lang siguro. Kay pareho man lang. Ang obrahon nyo lang get is i-edit niya. Kung di na-select nyo na. So by the way, ang topic should be chapter 1 man gyapon. So double click the rubric, edit nyo lang. Ako na-edit ko lang na sa. So activity 2, then rubric for activity number 2. Then the same this one. Then save. The same nga data lang. Then assign. Mula nakasimple. May activity number 2 ka na. Okay, so diyan yung makita kung nakapasa do sanda or wala. So kung pila ka bilog, automatically pag click mo kada to, kadang save, makita do nanda kada student. So makita nyo kung pila ka bilog ka students ang na-assign. Pwede nyo makita kung sino ang turn in ang nakapasa doon. So muda sa activity 1, ang module diaman, kag kon may dugang kamo di. Actually kon may dugang kamo ang mga questions or materials, assignment, quiz assignment. Kung gusto niyo magtao ka quiz assignment ang ano ninyo guys. Then ma-create kamo ka blank nga form nga quiz. So the same man siya kung saan may due date man, may topic. So example mo topic ang chapter 1, ang date nyo abi sa instead of Friday, Monday abi no. Pwede man dahil dunganon lang or 28. Depende kaninyo kung saan nyo ito. Ako kung nabi Monday next week. Then that's the time that you're going to create quiz 1. So kung gusto nyo butangan ka quiz every week na kunabi lang. Then instruction, kung may instruction ka mo. Then grade importing, that means nga isilo na ang grade. Sagin configure nyo to kagina kung ano nga grade sa quizzes. So click nyo lang siya. Then automatically ang Google Form ari na. Then this is the time that you're going to create an exam na. So example, for the title, you have quiz 1, ICT for 10, then system administration and maintenance. Okay. Then for the butang nyo de name nanda. So ako para madali inabutangan ko katatlong mo kada then this one. Put here first name, middle, initial, then last name. Okay. Then what we're going to answer is this one here. Then for the direction gala, you can put here sa form description, no? So direction. Select the best answer on select the best answer. Pass your or submit the form not later than kung saan deadline nyo than the deadline. Kunabi lang. Then afterwards, after this, you can put here duplicate, and then for duplication, after the name, you put there multiple choice. So you had options. You add options. You have to add 4 options, no? Now for this one, you're going to make this as required para nga hindi siya na maka-add to sa next question kung hindi na masabtan ang amo ng question. And then the next is shuffle order. Na importante na siya. Okay, shuffle order meaning to say align na ang ano niya. Then for the answer key later on, like for example number 1, put here number 1, then or no, pwede man hindi ka magbutang ka number para naka-shuffle ang questions man, no. So later on para ano niyo ay para iwas cheating. So first question Abi is what is system administration and maintenance. So first option is way of maintaining the computer and its network. Then gaming. Then network classification. Then sa dalom, none. Another, ang last na choice. None of these. Okay. So you have to put the answer and you have to put kung pila ka points and then the first na. So this will be the correct answer. Then done. Okay. Then make sure gid nga naka-shuffle order option. Para nga hindi ka mo magsala kundi ang ano. Okay, kung sala spelling, all you have to do is to correct the spelling. Then this one, if you're going to preview it, so this one is your quiz. Okay. By the way, you have to if you want to configure the the background theme, you can create it in Canva. The same thing sa naton guys sa classroom. Ang actually may pa niya naka-assign. Okay. Tapuson ta lang daya anay no. Then send to students. So send to students, this one, invite to fill the form, include an email. Okay, so kung daya doon. For the configuration of restrict lang sa dia, meaning to say, limit to 1 response. Para isa lang sa nakasabat. Restrict to ISCOF, no? Para gamiton ginanday.edu na nga account. Then presentation naman, shuffle question order. Para hindi pareho ang ano na, para iwas cheating. Then sa quizzes, make this a quiz immediately after its submission. Okay, then save. When you are done saving this, then for this one, for your quiz assignment, you have to click assign. And then after clicking assign, automatically it will be going here sa dia. So makita nanda activity 1 nanda, activity 2 kag quiz nanda. So kung ma-access na para access na ng quiz, click nanda dia, then they'll be directed to the quiz automatically. Okay? So that's how to navigate with your Google Classroom. It's the key there is to create. So we have also question or reuse post if ever nga may dayan. Actually, I don't have any, didn't use any questions pa. Pero if I think this one, para siguro kung may question ang students, no? So you have to, kung multiple choice or short answer. Like for example, if you have question nabi para kananda, no? Then you have to select anay the topic and then kung saan ang deadline. Okay? You have to select pagid kung diin nga category. Quizzes, recitation, major exam, or laboratory. So pwede na siya. Ang kagina, ang assignment, pwede mo butang to sa laboratory actually, no? So this one, ang sa category siguro sa quizzes. Na, pwede man multiple choice. Actually, you can do multiple choice pagid nga question man sa ano. Then, what is SAM? System administration and maintenance na ang SAM. Then, ask. Then automatically, I think na, so this is the question they have to answer as quiz. So sa quiz, the same man siya guys, you can edit this. Edit nato na. Ang category niya kung diin. Kung quiz man gyapon. Save. The same, parang hindi kita mag-confuse. Kasi din mabuo lang kita ka final grade. Ang activity nga dyan, sa diin ni siya, na belong. So you have to select man, edit. Kung ano yung category niya. Hay tidibla kay na naghimo kita ka category kung diin. So like for example, we have here laboratory. Then save. Ang sa the same man, activity number 2. So mas ka mo magbutang, i-configure nyo gid kung ano yung category niya. Na. Okay, so the same man sa parang hindi do ka mo mag-compute pagid sa andang attendance. Pwede niyo mabutang man diya. Paano? Ibla may online session kita sa Meet. May online session kita sa Meet. Pagkatapos, obrahon lang gid like for example mga lase kita 1 hour, then after 1 hour ma-create kita de ako yung mo dyan ginobra ko guys para mag-check ka recitation. So ginaput ko de assignment na tapos ginabutang ko de abi attendance, no? Then category na is recitation. Then may rubric ako, may rubric. Why na sa rubric attendance mo lang mo. Then assign. So pangitaon ng dada ay why mabutang kun diin. Edit niya anay. Edit niya kun diin nga topic. Chapter 1 na siya. So the due date is kung ano nga adlaw, example tulad nga adlaw kamo nag 25. Then ano nga time? Ako stricto gid ako kadang attendance kada. So example, nag-session kita 1 o'clock karon. Mag-end kita abi 3 o'clock. So butang ko di ang due time 4 o'clock, 4 p.m. Lat. 24 gali. I'm sorry. 4 p.m. na correct. 24. Then 4 p.m. Nangyari na. The due date na 4 p.m. So, para nga, then i-save niyo siya na. So, just na mabutang attendance. Diyan ka mo ma-check attendance after yan yung mga lase. Then i-configure nyo ang attendance as recitation. Hari no. So, manotice niyo may laboratory, may quizzes, may recitation. Para nga kung mag-grade na kamo, sa grade, dapat abi no, waypat may nagpasa abid eh. So makita nyo automatically sa grade, nakaklasify na siya kung diin, kung attendance, kung ano, automatic na. Para makita nyo doon yung grade at the end of the school year diya. So actually amo daya sabat ka pamangkot nga actually amo day ay iya sabat sa pamangkot ni Dr. Ang head bala ka education department sa Tiwi sa main campus. Pag workshop namon gid pamangkot na si Doc Wenda Panes kung paano mag katanan-tanan nga grade nga hindi ka doon mag-compute. Actually amo daya sabat sa pamangkot ni Sir ang kalbo bala nalipat ako sino gani pangalan ang Dr. Sino gani I forgot the name. So I think that is it, no? Ang Dean ka College of Education sa Dean ng College Education sa main TV campus. Yun pamangkot na si Doc Panes kung paano mag-redan nga dang automatic na bulayo pag But anyway, sige. I think we are through with sa aton nga demo, no? So thank you Doc Doc Prudente for attending klase naton. So thank you so much and good afternoon.